Here we are.
Oh, we've never done this before.
Oh, it's quite warm, isn't it? That's nice. Oh. People have been up there.
Oh, here it is.
I think he's a bit tired.
Oh.
Been a long day for him. There we go. Hello.
This is giving off Harry Potter vibes.
Look at a little tail. It's giving me Game of Thrones. Oh, those eyes. Stay away. Love for it to blow some fire in it now and heat us up. And rest. The dragon is so big its tail wraps all the way down here. He's not happy. There's too many people in here. Get out of my house.